Overhead press, strict barbell. The standing overhead strict barbell press is one of the best movements for building vertical pushing strength. It targets the shoulders, chest, triceps, core, and back muscles. To perform the barbell overhead press, you're going to need a certain level of flexibility. If the barbell causes pain or discomfort, I recommend trying a neutral grip dumbbell overhead press and working on your upper body flexibility. Here's how it works. Set the barbell in a squat rack just below shoulder height. A common mistake is to grip the bar with the hands too close. Notice how the hands are outside the shoulders. The elbows are squeezed in and the arms create a W shape. This is mechanically a strong pressing position. Unrack the bar and take a few steps backwards from the rack. Set the feet to be in a shoulder width stance, which creates a wider base of support. Set a posterior pelvic tilt, PPT, by contracting your glutes and tucking your tailbone under. Focus on maintaining the glute contraction for the entire set, as this helps to protect the lower back. Lift your chest up and protract your shoulders by pushing them forward. This creates a small shelf for the barbell to rest on as you drop the elbows down so they are just forward of the bar, and your forearms are nearly perpendicular to the floor. It's perfectly okay to have a slight arch in the back here. To initiate the press, pull your chin back. Think double chin. To move your head out of the way, then press the bar up and slightly back. As the bar passes over the head, start to push your head forward between the arms. At the top of the press, when the elbows are locked and the shoulders are elevated, your ears should be visible in front of your arms from a side view. At the top of the press, the elbows must be locked and the shoulders must be elevated. Push the bar as high as you can reach. From here, reverse the movement by lowering the bar all the way back down to touch the top of your chest, just above the collarbone, before performing the next rep. As you do this, remember to position the elbows slightly forward of the barbell and recreate the W shape with the arms at the bottom of each rep. Keep the elbows squeezed in and slightly forward of the bar. The standing strict overhead barbell press is a tough movement, and you'll need to choose an appropriate weight and rep range that allows you to perform quality reps. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.